What is going on, guys? So I just want to do a quick follow-up video, or kind of like a review video so far, my initial impressions of the Sonic front-facing camera install, the kit. It's been about a couple of days since I installed it, and today I have some time to kind of review everything, and I just want to take you guys with me. I think this is a very well constructed kit. I think Sonic, shout outs to Eric and Benson for answering all my troubleshooting emails. They're very quick with everything, totally supported the product. So that definitely not sponsored. I paid full price and I really like it. I really like the quality of everything. So here it is. I want to take you guys on how I did it. I have the hood fully open and propped up. And this is a aftermarket camera that I went for. It's a Pixelman camera from Amazon. It's waterproof. It looks nice. It's very well integrated, I think. No one could tell. All right, and from here, shout outs to also Sienna chat for just including all the supplies for me to go ahead and just follow. All right, and this right here, I did not go for the full Japanese product that they offered at Sonic because that was kind of just too much money for my budget. So I went for the $40 camera, and it works, I guess, just as well. I don't know about the Japanese one, but here it is. Right, here is the grounding point. Just be mindful of how you go ahead and ground your units. I decided to follow the Sienna Chat DIY and grounded it here. Just make sure everything is good, not painted, full on metal. I decided to use a wire conduit to go ahead and keep everything from melting the wires or touching the wrong hot points. And overall, I think it's a very nice, smooth install. And I'm going to take you guys inside in the fact that this is a later unit. I have one of these blank dummy buttons. The push button right here is integrated into one of these buttons, so I pop one of these out and it's very flush, right? Versus having it to stick onto here or stick onto any type of exterior portion or like your console. So how this works is I don't even have to start the whole car. All right, and right when the head unit powers up, I don't have to turn on the engine or anything like that. This is just accessory mode. And as you can see, once I turned it on, this LED turns green. And you could go ahead and toggle it as much as you like. And the first one, you could program it by I let it on default, press it once. And this is it. This is the front facing. Previously, I had like a guideline issue right here, the backup guidelines, because this is technically a backup camera. And also it was mirrored image because it was a backup camera. Now it's front facing. So this was on the left, the car. And this is 15 seconds interval. And after that, it returns to the main screen. So I cut the green and the white wire on the aftermarket camera, the harness. That particular company, Pixelman, makes it very easy for you to just snip it. And it's now not mirrored image. It is a front facing camera. So this is good. This is great. All right, after that, it's just very nice. I think you can't even tell. And the reason why we want this kind of front-facing camera is to go ahead and get ground clearance, just to make sure we're not hitting anything. And also, we have a kind of a tight driveway. Sometimes there are cars parked to our right in a one-way. So this kind of helps making sure that right here, there's no cars coming and hitting you, like kind of intersecting you, T-boning you. So that works too. But overall, I just like it. It's a big van. No 360. All right, this is a XSE trim, but the surround view I don't think I need. I just need the rear and the front. And the thing about this is you could go ahead and do the front, reverse, and then the main menu. And then you could also program it by kind of holding it, and it's going to go ahead and do a series of flashes for you to go ahead and automatically turn the front facing camera on if it's at like lower than 20 miles per hour. I'd rather not do that because I don't want this completely on the whole time when I'm like coasting like in the local streets or in traffic. So I like it. I really like it very much. In terms of the install, I think it was a pretty straightforward install, especially if you have the DIY. And for me, again, I have really worse luck with my grounding points. And overall, I was just rushing, trying to pick up my girls on time. It's Halloween, but I got it done and I like it. And overall, do I recommend the product so far? Yes, definitely. It was about it's like 220, I think, right? And it was free shipping. It came from the West Coast, but overall, I highly recommend looking into it if you are driving a Sienna and if you are looking for some sort of aftermarket solution. That's pretty easy to install, and also, you know, OEM. So on that note, I think I'm gonna end it off at that. It's really quick. This is the Beat Sonic video, CS10A, I believe, and highly worth it. All right, check you guys out next time. Peace.